Programming your Audi garage door opener. First step, make sure your accessory power is on. Press and hold buttons 1 and 3. Wait 30 seconds. At the end of 30 seconds, you're going to see the red light in the middle flashing. $20, $30. Alright, next, the slow flash means that's the button we want to program. I'll take your remote over to the front of the car. This is a transmitter in the front of the car, apparently. The owner's manual says. And you got to hold this button until the lights on the car flash. Alright, the lights on the car have just flashed. And to finish the process, you shut off the power to the car. There we go, power off. Now power on. And now to test our newly programmed garage door opener. There you have it. How to program your Audi garage door opener.